there, Sanity Seekers. Thank you for joining me. I'm continuing work on my little Christmas shop. Today I'll be making the toy section of the store and some display tables. Let's start with the shelving. I'm using the really wide craft sticks and splitting them in half, keeping the curved ends. I'm using the angle shears to create the corners and wooden beads as the legs and spaces between the shelves. I've measured with my eyeballs to have a short side and a long side to suit the shop. Alas, 'tis time for the merchandise. I can't tell you how pumped I am to use some of the toy minis that my daughter has bought me over the last few years. Super excited. And what kind of Christmas shop wouldn't have toys? I love how the packaged toys look, the board games, Pictionary, Connect 4, Monopoly to play on Christmas Eve, toys for the littlies and bigger ones too. And I wanted to bring it together with a little tinsel on the bottom. Too cool. I glued it in place, glued the unicorn surprise toy back on, and proceeded to adhere other toys, teddies, and so on in around the bottom of the shelves. Then I used this USB cap that's been lying around for some time to make a display holder for the loose toy guns. This you see before you is a cap from a 15-litre water bottle. It's going to make a stunning little display table for my shop. I pulled the bottom off it, placed the lid in for sizing, used some fancy tape to hold the bottom all together and make it pretty. Then I glued the top to the bottom. A healthy slathering of glue to the top will allow me to decorate it with some nice natural and gold string, with the end result being fancy. I can't find the video clip making these display tables, but they are very basic and effective. I used different sized corks and small natural wooden discs from the craft shop. Too easy. Whew, I'm nearly there. Thank you for checking in on the progress. I love it when we hang. I have a few more products to put in yet. Christmas paper, candy canes, bonbons, lollies, And I've also yet to do the lighting. Golly, it's all happening. But I'm stoked you're here with me. I really appreciate it. If you found value in my video, hit the like button and leave a comment. It really helps out my little channel. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.